Welcome, guys. Welcome to the hunt. Welcome. All right, so guys, I'm basically looking at GBP/USD. All right, so I'm looking to get on buys. Okay. So if price break above this point here, I'll be getting into the trade. All right, we're having a break now. So let's see, we have 20 seconds for this candle to close, and we're having 8.6 pips. So you can calculate 8.6 pips now on your FX calculator. 8.6 pips. Now getting guys 8.6 pips. GBP/USD 8.6 pips. GBP/USD. GBP/USD 8.6 pips stop loss. GBP/USD 8.6 pips stop loss. GBP/USD 8.6 stop loss. Okay. Buy GBP/USD 8.6 stop loss. My stop loss is right here. My first take profit, which is TP1, it's gonna be right here. Okay, so let me put that here. Okay, and my TP2, going to be above here. Please practice proper risk management, guys. You know, I always preach that. Okay, so proper risk management. All right, this is an opportunity for you to get in now if you haven't gotten into the trade. We're buying GBP/USD right here. Okay, this is an opportunity for you to get in. We're buying GBP/USD right here. Okay, all right, 8.6 pips. So everybody have an opportunity to get in now, so no excuse. So Trade is going good now. All right. Let's go, let's go, let's go. all right, so that's TP1 hit right there. Very quickly, guys, TP1 hit. All right, so price is moving very strongly to TP2. let's see how this goes. Okay, I'm going to close. I'm closing 75% of my profit right here. So I'm closing 75% of my profit right here, and I'm breaking even. All right, I'm breaking even as well. I've closed 75% of my trade right here, so, and I've also break even. So let's see how this goes. Hope it doesn't tap our break even level before pushing back up. Okay, so if it moves back to this point right here, I'm going to close extra position. All right, but whatever happens right now, we're already in profit, so we already secure some profit, so no problem. This trade is a risk-free trade, so we're good. We're good. Whatever happens right now. Yes, I can show my face right now. All right. So I'm not in my place. Okay, so I went out to do something, so I just had to show up for you guys. All right, because a promise is a promise. All right, so I just had to show up. Okay, someone said, what's my take on gold? So let's quickly check gold and see. I don't know what strategy you use. All right, so I'm just going to advise you based on my strategy, and I don't trade gold. All right, so let's check gold. Let's check gold. XAU, USD. Okay. Based on 1 hour, all right, gold looks so bearish. Okay, it looks bearish right here because of this very big impulsive move that we have right here. I think if I'm to trade gold, I'm just going to wait around here. Okay, let's see, we have a support right here, resistance. So I'm going to wait right here. This is where I'm going to wait. If I'm going to trade gold, I'll wait at this point. All right, that's where I'll be waiting to get into the trade for scalping. All right, for scalping. Okay, I'll just wait right there for scalp. Okay, that's just it. That's what I will do on gold on 1 hour. Now I don't know what time frame you're trading on, so if I'm going to trade gold, I'll wait right here. Let's check more bigger time frame, see a bit bigger picture. I don't really check too much of bigger picture because there's just so much noise when you're trying to move from different time frame. It's just too much noise for me. So but yes, we will see a reaction at that point right there, because if you zoom out right here, you can also see we have a key level at this point here. This is another key level. Also we have a key level, sorry. So that makes this zone right here a very strong level on gold, very strong level. Okay, so price is definitely going to react to that point when it gets there on gold. So that's it. But you can't really tell if the market is going to the thing is, you can't really tell if the market will go completely down to this point right here. If you have a retracement right there, okay, right here, you can't really tell if it's moving down here. That's the reason why I advise always day trading and scalping. That's what I recommend, because just just the small move like this, we're done. All right, just very tiny move like this, we're done. Just 1 hour candle, we are done. All right, so you might think price is going to reverse here, and then it just, you know, goes all the way up. So when you take advantage of the small move, it makes a lot of sense. All right, so that's my take on gold. This is a very strong level. All right, if I have it on the pairs that I trade, I'll definitely be waiting at this point here, but I don't trade it. There's a couple of reasons why I don't trade gold. I think it's because of wicks. Gold wicks a lot. All right, too much wicks. All right, so I think when I was trying to backtest gold, I've tried to backtest gold before, but it was just, you know, just wicking me out. So that's the reason why I stopped trading gold. All right, so GBP JPY, let's quickly look at GBP USD. All right, because that's the trade we are in right now. So all right, let's go to 1 minute. Let's see our trade. Okay. Couple of consolidation right here. Let's see, where's the market breaking to? All right, yes, down buyers. Yes. If I want to trade gold, that's what I would do. That's the exact thing I would do. If I want to trade gold, I'm going to sell. I'm going to sell right here. Okay, that's exactly what I'm going to do. I don't really see a very strong level on the downside yet. Okay, I don't see any strong level yet. Of course, there's an aggressive level right here. We have this zone right here. We also have this bounce off of this one right here. Okay, sorry, we have another one right here. Then we have this one. Okay, and we also have this tiny one right here. Okay, so I could say I'm gonna box, sorry, I could say I'm gonna box this point right here. Why are you not picking that? I'm gonna box this point right here and move it a little bit up to somewhere around 2020 855 level. All right, I can box that point right here. Okay, but that will be aggressive, so that's the reason why I won't trade it. It will be very aggressive. So now I'm going to give you a couple of things that is going to make gold probably sell from this point right here, because you need to have, you know, confluence. All right, you don't just have to have one, you must have multiple confluence. All right, things that's going to give you more assurance that the market is probably going to, aside from the fact that we have multiple key levels right here, which means that buyers and sellers are hanging around this point. All right, which means that when price gets to that point again, there's literally going to be a fight. All right, it's either the buyers win or the sellers win. Okay, that's one. We have a very, you know, we have key levels right here where buyers are hanging. Another thing that can help you to understand that this is the selling in general, this is the selling bias again, is we have an impulsive move right here. You can see these candles, they are very, very big candles, and price move all the way from this point here, breaking the previous low, which is this guy right here, all right, breaking it to the downside, all right, and pushing up. So this is going to be a retracement. All right, and again, we have price moving all the way to the upper side for a very long time. You can see we don't really have a significant retracement at this point right here. All through this point, there's no significant retracement. What that means is that price is going to retrace somewhere. Okay, it's going to be somewhere where price is going to retrace. You can see this one too. We have a continuation to the downside, no significant retracement, and this is the significant retracement that is happening right here. So this is a retracement of this impulsive move right here. So you should also know that when you are also having this, they can also be a retracement inside a retracement. All right, I don't know if that makes sense. All right, so this one right here, all right, it's also is a retracement, but it's also an impulsive move. So definitely there's going to be a bigger retracement, even if price wants to continue to the upper side from here. If the method of chase and price wants to continue up, there's definitely going to be a little retracement at this point right here before the price continues to the upper side. So I feel the best place to stay is this point right here. That's the best place to stay. All right, so those are the things. But in general, if I'm going to trade this one, I'm going to be looking for sales. That's it. Now let me quickly explain why I got into GBP USD. If you guys remember yesterday, we took, this is our what is it called, our third win on GBP USD for this week. And GBP USD is our major, most traded pair for this week. I think we've only been traded just 4 times this week, and this is the 4th one. We lost 1 and we won 3. Okay, so I'm already calculating this as a win, because normally I take most of my position out on 1-to-1 risk to reward, so I don't really stay in the market for too long. Okay, and also we still have price running in profit, so let's see how that goes. So let me quickly explain why I got into this trade. Very simple. The same thing you can see on gold, the same thing I just explained on gold is the same thing that is happening right here. Okay, you can see that price has been moving to the upper side. We can see this, you know, higher highs, you know, higher lows being printed at this point right here. Then we have an impulsive move that takes the market to the downside. Okay, so after we had the impulsive move that take the market, the first retracement that happens at this point right here, I traded it for a sell. All right, that's the same thing that I'm expecting on gold to do. I'm expecting a sell at a key level. And how do we know this is a key level? We have multiple bounce. All right, you can see we have multiple bounce. If we further push that same, if we further push it back all the way to the back, so you can see we still have multiple bounce right there, bounce. All right, we still have multiple bounces right here, and if you continue to push it down, you have a lot of bounce, which means that buyers and sellers are hanging around that point, and there's going to be a fight. Like I said before, the fight don't have to be you don't have to have a winner for the fight. Okay, you don't have to have a winner for the fight. So that's the reason why I usually just take advantage of small move. You can see right here, this was our trade on what day is this? I think Wednesday. All right, it was our trade on Wednesday. Then we had, you know, that trade. Okay, I won't just, you know, rely on the fact that I'm expecting price, you know, to have a retracement then continue fully to the downside. Okay, so you can see we only took advantage of just one candle right there, just one candle. That's just all we did. Okay, for Wednesday, and as you can see, price move this much, and then what you have is price retrace back to the upper side. Okay, now on what is it called now, on Thursday, which is yesterday, what I saw was that I saw price started making, you know, this channel. I explained this yesterday too. All right, started making this channel, something like this. All right, then breaks above the previous high to the upper side, and then we have a little retracement. So after the retracement, I decided to get into the trade for a buy right there. So that's the reason why I got into the buy on this trade yesterday, and that was a win. And today we have a push. The same thing that happened yesterday is still the same thing, the same reason why I'm getting into this one too. All right, this is it. Down here, push up, push down. This is a retracement as well. We have a push, and then we have this push, which means that price can, there's a big chance that price is going to continue to the upper side to this point right here. I don't know where it wants to retrace from fully to the downside back, but there's a big chance that price is going to continue to the upper side right here. Okay, so that's the reason why I'm getting into this trade. Okay, so so now I'm going to close almost all my position right here. I'll close almost all my position right here, break even, close all my profits, almost all. All right, I'm just going to leave about 10% of my profit right here. Okay, so okay, what determines my TP and pips level? Basically what I do, if I want to look for TP level, I don't really look at levels. I don't look at levels. I just base that on pips. How much am I risking versus how much I'm making? All right, that's just how I do it. If we have a shift in momentum, there's no precise place. I feel like levels, key levels, all right, are a lot stronger on the higher time frame. Okay, if you're using like 4 hour or you're using 1 hour, levels are stronger on the higher time frame. But when it comes to lower time frame, levels are not strong. It can easily be broken, all right, without even any retracement or any reaction. It can easily be broken. That's the reason why I don't use levels. So majorly I just use pips, how much I'm risking versus how much I want to make. That's just how I do it. All right, you can see we have multiple levels right here. We have this level, we have this level, we have this level. Normally price is supposed to react to that point, but you can see price is not reacting to it. Price just smashed above it. All right, so on the 1 minute time frame, you can't, the levels are not really very strong. They are not really very strong. So that's the reason. So if you join us for the first time, please subscribe. And I'm going to, like I said before, I just had to show up. All right, I just had to show up for you guys. I'm not in my place. All right, I traveled, so I just had to show up right here. So these are my levels. All right, let me just show you the levels, and when we have another entry again, I might probably just come up, okay, again for you guys. So on Euro USD, I'm waiting for price to push back to this point right here, and if I don't come up, I will share the trade on the Telegram channel right here. I'm waiting for price to come bounce right here on Euro USD. Euro CHF, we've been waiting on Euro CHF since the beginning of this week right here, and price is not coming to that point, so I'm still waiting right there though. All right, okay, I'm gonna shift this one a little bit. Nope, yes, I'm still waiting right there because there's no other key levels that is strong enough that I can consider right here, so I'll wait right there. Then GBP, what is it called, GBP JPY. Okay, we've been waiting. All right, so I think we have a very strong momentum in the market now. I love these candles being printed. There's the possibility that price is going to come back down. I don't know if that's going to happen today though. All right, I don't know if that's going to happen today, so we're just going to observe. Probably we're going to have entry on Monday or Tuesday, one of those days. We're going to have entry on this one. Okay, but the one that looks closer is Euro USD. Okay, so I'll be hanging around that point there. Okay, so you guys can see it's very quick. We're almost done. All right, because we've gotten into the trade quickly and we already make money. That's how easy it can be and very fast it can be. Okay, that's how fast and easy it can be. So up that listings for you. TP pips amount I'm risking determines amount I'm making. Okay, but I make a little bit above that, so you can also take any TP you like. You can do 1 to 2 risk to reward. You can do 1 to 1. You can do 1 to 3. You're gonna be profitable for everything as long as it's my trade. You'll be profitable with it. Okay, but if you're looking at 1 hour, probably you have your own strategy and you're looking at 1 hour, I would really suggest, if you're taking your trades on 1 hour and you want to set your TP, and all that, I would suggest you use levels. Okay, because on higher time frame, levels gets more respected. All right, not all the time, but it gets more respected than using it on the lower time frame. So that's how it is. So we're still pushing nicely. If you have any other question, you can keep that coming, because in absence of no question now, I'm just going to end the stream. We start the stream proper on Monday. All right, this one is just to quickly come and give you guys money. All right, okay guys, so I'll update you guys. All right, I'll update you guys. So I'm just going to end the stream right here. Okay,